Hey!
Hey, you alright guys?
Oh, Pat's got hold of it, I'm driving.
Oh God, hang on.
We're in Cambridge.
No, it's Cambridge.
We're in Cambridge. We're going to Maplin's to buy some more toys to destroy.
And we've got a learner. Look,
Ah.
and they've got about 20 cars in front of them there. Don't know if you guys know Cambridge, but look, here we go. Here's some Cambridge.
There's some Cambridge.
Here is some Cambridge. This is Parker's Piece.
We're quite lucky where we live. We're like half an hour from Cambridge and half an hour from London.
Yeah, we're probably lucky. Look, I've got my ears lowered.
We've got to buy the cars again because last time we bought the cars,
I missed
Pat done a Pat and missed
I
out.
missed it. Can't beat some of these Cambridge women. Oh, look at them, lovely.
Pat wants to try out the crunch sponge.
Yeah, get the conch sponge on it.
We're going to Maplin's. We was going to Toys R Us last time, but it's not there anymore.
Totally gone. Toys R Us is gone.
Just finished, over. Game over.
Bye bye Toys R Us. Ah, Maplin's is still open. Yes.
What do you reckon that used to say on that middle one? It's not support anymore, is it? Where are they, Pat? Where? Oh! Yes! We found Pat! That little kid in a toy shop.
One of these.
I'm getting a little pole going on with all the stuff.
That. As long as these guys are watching our video, we can find more of this every day, innit?
It's two different kinds as well.
Drones might be fun.
Oh,
I've got a drone, aiming drones. Yeah.
it's going to be on the next video, mate. Very helpful guy, this one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cheers, mate.
See you later.
See you guys.
Cheers.
But you got Kev?
Mate, you're going to turn up on the next video.
Yeah, look at the amount of stuff we've got. Hey! Oh, I got a speedboat.
Oh, yes.
There you go. This is the links that Kev goes to keep these videos coming.
Keep you people happy.
Yeah.
And us happy. Alright, we got all the toys back, guys. Let's have a little look what we got going on. So we got a Ferrari there, quite big, probably about 12 scale, I would say, something like that. Yeah, says it on there, 12 scale. Got a couple of little mini monster trucks. We got a LaFerrari. We got an Aventador. We got a McLaren. We got a couple of these again that we had last time. And we got a couple of boats. We're probably thinking we're going to attach some fireworks like rockets to these or something crazy. I don't know yet. We'll do something fun. So give me a note in the comments, guys. What do you want to see happen with these? If you've got any great ideas, guys, give us a note down below in the comments. Let us know what you want to see. And if it's doable and I think it's a good idea, we might well give it a blast. Alright, guys. Hope you like this video. Got plenty of crazy fun action coming up. Remember, all my business videos are now going up on my other channel. I'm going to leave a link to that channel down below. I'm going to keep this channel here mainly for fun. You're going to see the odd little bit of business stuff, but not much anymore. It's not going to be every day like before. You're going to get the odd little snippet here and there. And it's mainly going to be to promote my other channel. So guys, if you're interested in business, hop over to the other channel. If you're interested in fun, stay on this channel. If you like both, you got both. Hopefully everybody's happy. Alright guys, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, smash the bell button. You know what you got to do, guys. See you soon. Bye.